Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to this video where we will be discussing the question, will global warming make winter colder? It's a common misconception that global warming means hotter temperatures year-round, but that's not necessarily the case. In fact, global warming can have complex and even counterintuitive effects on weather patterns, and we're going to explore how it can impact winter temperatures. Section 1. Understanding global warming. To fully understand how global warming affects winter temperatures, we first need to have a clear understanding of what global warming is. Simply put, global warming is the long-term increase in the Earth's average surface temperature due to the buildup of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat from the sun and prevent it from escaping back into space. This causes the Earth's temperature to gradually rise over time. Section 2. How global warming affects winter temperatures. So, if global warming causes temperatures to rise, why would it make winter colder? The answer lies in the way that global warming can alter weather patterns. Firstly, it's important to note that while global temperatures are rising overall, this doesn't mean that every region of the world will experience warmer temperatures year-round. In fact, global warming can cause certain regions to experience more extreme weather conditions, including colder winters. One reason for this is that global warming can cause changes in the jet stream, which is a high-altitude wind current that plays a crucial role in weather patterns. The jet stream is powered by the difference in temperature between the Arctic and the mid-latitudes, and as the Arctic warms faster than the rest of the world, this temperature difference decreases. This can cause the jet stream to become weaker and more meandering, leading to extreme weather events such as cold snaps and heavy snowfall in some regions. Another way that global warming can cause colder winters is through the melting of sea ice in the Arctic. As the ice melts, it exposes more open water, which absorbs more heat from the sun. This causes the water to warm, which in turn can cause changes in atmospheric pressure patterns, leading to colder air being pushed further south. Section 3. Other factors that affect winter temperatures. While global warming can certainly have an impact on winter temperatures, it's important to remember that it's not the only factor at play. Other factors that can affect winter temperatures include El Niño and La Niña. These are weather patterns that occur in the Pacific Ocean and can have a significant impact on global weather patterns, including winter temperatures. Arctic oscillation. This is a weather pattern that can cause changes in atmospheric pressure, which can in turn impact winter temperatures. Land use changes. Changes in land use, such as deforestation or urbanization, can impact local weather patterns and temperatures. Weather variability. Winter temperatures can also vary from year to year due to natural weather variability. Section 5. Impacts of colder winters. It's important to note that while global warming can cause some regions to experience colder winters, it's not necessarily a good thing. In fact, colder winters can have a number of negative impacts on both humans and the environment. One of the most obvious impacts of colder winters is the increased energy demand for heating, which can lead to higher energy bills and more greenhouse gas emissions. In addition, colder winters can also cause damage to infrastructure and homes, as well as increase the risk of accidents and injuries from slip and fall incidents or hypothermia. Colder winters can also have significant impacts on the environment. For example, heavy snowfall and ice storms can damage trees and other vegetation, as well as disrupt wildlife populations. In addition, colder temperatures can impact agriculture and food production, which can have implications for global food security. Section 6. Adapting to a changing climate. As we continue to see the impacts of global warming on winter temperatures, it's becoming increasingly important for individuals, businesses, and governments to take steps to adapt to a changing climate. One important step is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by transitioning to cleaner forms of energy, such as renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. In addition, we can take steps to increase energy efficiency, such as by improving insulation and using energy-efficient appliances and lighting. We can also take steps to adapt to the impacts of colder winters, such as by improving our infrastructure and buildings to be more resilient to extreme weather events. For example, we can invest in stronger and more durable building materials, as well as improve our snow removal and de-icing techniques. Finally, we can also work to increase awareness and education about the impacts of global warming and the need to take action. By working together to address this complex issue, we can help ensure a more stable and sustainable future for ourselves and for future generations. Conclusion. In conclusion, while the impacts of global warming on winter temperatures can be complex and even counterintuitive, it's clear that we need to take action to address this critical issue. By reducing our greenhouse gas emissions and taking steps to adapt to a changing climate, we can help ensure a more livable and sustainable future for ourselves and for future generations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking. Thanks for watching.